You've followed our directions. You've installed them. And what next? The next day, you have to open the hive and remove the empty cage that the bees came in and replace the frames into the hive. 2 days after that, you need to open the hive and remove the queen's cage. Make sure the queen's been released. If you've got your package of bees and the queen is dead, give us a call immediately. We have replacement queens available. And keep feeding this whole time. You will be feeding them 1-to-1 sugar syrup, 1 part water, 1 part sugar, for about 4 weeks. We recommend feeding 5 gallons of syrup. We want to get a lot of comb built as quickly as possible. Once the bees are installed in the hive, we do not disturb them for a week. Let them get things sorted out. There's nothing to see anyway, because the comb is white, the eggs are white, the royal jelly is white, the syrup is clear, everything's white in the hive. At about 2 weeks, you'll want to do your first major hive inspection to verify that you have a laying queen in the hive. This is extremely important. If during your first major inspection you find that there's no eggs or no queen, give us a call immediately. You need to get a laying queen in the hive within 2 weeks of installation for the hive to be able to survive. If you have a laying queen in the hive, you're looking for 3 things. You want to see nectar, you want to see pollen, you want to see brood. You do not need to see the queen, although it's always fun to see the queen. Seeing the queen doesn't give you any information. Egg-laying pattern of the queen is important. You want to see a nice tight cluster of brood in the center of the combs. Once you see that, you button it up and leave them alone. When you close your hive, always make sure that all the frames are touching. That's important to get nice combs built. You keep feeding them. You want to look in the hive every 7 to 10 days. When the bees start building comb on the outermost frames, it's time to add another box. We feed our bees 5 gallons of syrup. It takes about 3 gallons of syrup to get the first box built, and then you add a second box and feed the last 1.5 gallons, 2 gallons of syrup to get them started in the second box. They should be on their own at that point, and then you just monitor them. You want to see what the hive growth looks like through the course of the season. And so every week or 2, open the hive, do a gentle hive inspection, look for food, look for pollen, look for brood, and close it up.